Hey, GrowMind community! Today, we're diving straight into one of the most important topics, how to grow in life. Whether you're aiming to elevate your career, improve your relationships, or just overall level up, I've got 5 key principles that will help you get there. Let's get started. Growth starts in the mind. A growth mindset is your foundation. If you believe that you can learn and improve, you're already halfway there. Embrace challenges, persist through obstacles, and learn from criticism. Remember, failures aren't roadblocks, they're stepping stones. The second principle is setting clear, actionable goals. Where do you want to be in 6 months? A year? 5 years? Write it down. Break those big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This not only keeps you focused but also makes the journey less overwhelming. Next up is taking consistent action. It's not about making huge leaps overnight, it's about showing up every single day. Even small, daily actions compound over time to create massive growth. So, stay disciplined, stay motivated, and keep moving forward. Growth is impossible without learning. Make it a habit to continuously educate yourself. Whether it's through books, podcasts, courses, or just life experiences, never stop learning. The more knowledge you have, the better decisions you can make, and the faster you'll grow. The people you surround yourself with can either lift you up or hold you back. Choose to be around those who inspire you, challenge you, and support your growth. Your environment plays a huge role in your success, so make sure it's a positive and empowering one. So, there you have it, 5 key principles for growing in life. Shift your mindset, set clear goals, take consistent action, keep learning, and surround yourself with the right people. Apply these principles, and you'll see incredible growth in every area of your life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below on what principle you're going to focus on first. Until next time, keep growing and stay inspired.